Hi, I'm Gabriel. I'm Avantune's CEO for Americas. Avantune is a 200 professional company headquarters here in Toronto. We have presence in Europe, Canada, and the US. What we do is self-service solutions on the cloud. Our vision is innovation without complexity. What we're trying to do in the next few videos you're going to watch is deliver upon that vision. Please join us and enjoy.
Hi, my name is David. I'm a sales engineer at Avantune. Welcome to our live event. Today I'm going to share with you some of the functionalities of Facsys 10. Facsys 10 is our self-serve cloud-based solution for digital asset management, enterprise communication, and workflow optimization. In particular, I'm going to show you how easy it is to design your business process with our drag-and-drop workflow tool. Then I'll put a document through a simple review and approval lifecycle. And finally, I'll show you different ways that you can securely share this document with external parties, which can be your customers or business partners. Now, here's a canvas where I can easily just drag and drop gadgets onto my canvas to design my business process. A task is something that requires a user interaction. An action is something that the system performs without the user interaction. I can simply just drag and drop the connector to connect them together and simulate my whole business process. Here. So here's the business process of a review and approve the document. So an employee publishes the document through this particular workflow. The manager gets an approved email saying that the document is ready for review and approval. Once the manager approves the document, it then sends a message automatically back to the employee saying that the document has been approved, and the system then automatically moves the document into an approved folder from which the user will know that they can then securely share it with external parties. So let's see how it works. So from the folder, you can see there's a W associated with that particular folder. That means there's a workflow attached to that particular work folder. Once I'm in the folder, I can drag and drop a document, or I can upload a file into this particular folder. I can browse my computer, find my document, click open, and on the top you can see the 5 steps. Basically, the system will guide me through this whole process of publishing this new document. My next step will be selecting where I want to upload it to, and the next step is to enter basic information about the document. I can also tag the document with different tags. These are similar to hashtags, so you can easily search them later on. And we can also specify a profile that will allow me to define additional information about this particular document. And next step, well, set the permissions. I can set permissions for readers, editors, and owners. So the system guides me through this whole process. It's nice and easy. I can simply just publish it, and the document, once the document has been published, then the employee will get an email notification that says a new document has been published into this particular workflow folder. And when I go back to the workflow folder, you can see that it's great, document's grayed out. That means the workflow is now processing this particular document. Now the manager, which in this particular demo happens to be myself again, gets an email notification that a document approval is required. As you can see, the document is actually attached to the email, so I can view and approve the document directly from my email. When I go back to my workflow demo and refresh it, the document is in red, which means there's a document is waiting for a particular task to be performed. So I highlight this document, view the document here. During the viewing process, I can also approve it directly from here. So I can approve, confirms the approval. Now once I approve the document will the system will automatically send a notification to the employee saying that the document has been approved, and it will move it into an approved folder. So it's out of my demo folder and goes back to workflow approved folder. So from here, I can highlight it, knowing that the documents inside this folder have all been approved already, that I can select it and share this document through social spaces with external parties. I can also create URLs from here that I can send a link to others. So let's just summarize what we have accomplished today. We've done a quick and easy drag and drop to design the workflow, simulate our business process. And we also put a document through its review and approval cycle. And the Facsys workflow automates and streamlines this whole business process, so there's no need to manually chase down a particular document. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us. For more information about Genialcloud Facsys, please visit genialcloud.com. Thank you.